Myself, Himavarsha. Today, my topic is about Millimann's theorem. Introduction to Millimann's theorem. Millimann's theorem is a significant concept in probability theorem and statistics. It provides insights into the relationships between certain types of distributions. The theorem is often applied in various fields, including actuarial science and finance. Historical background. The theorem is named after mathematician Eugen Milliman, who contributed to its formulation. It was developed in the mid 20th century as part of a broader study of stochastic process. Understanding its historical context helps appreciate its applications and relevance today. The mathematical framework. Millimann's theorem deals primarily with the convergence of random variables. The theorem outlines conditions under which certain limits can be established. Its mathematical formulation involves complex integrals and limiting behavior of distributions. And the key components. The theorem incorporates concepts like independence and identical distribution of variables. It also considers the role of movements and characteristic functions in its proof. Understanding these components is crucial for applying the theorem effectively. Applications in actuarial science. Millimann's theorem is widely used in calculating insurance reserves and premiums. Actuaries applies the theorem to assess risk and predict future claims accurately. Its application helps ensure that insurance companies remain solvent and profitable. Applications in finance. In finance, Millimann's theorem assists in modeling assessed returning and portfolio risk. Financial analysts use the theorem to derive expected returns based on historical data. The theorem contributes to the development of more robust financial models and strategies. Limitations of the theorem. While powerful, Millimann's theorem has certain limitations in its application. It assumes ideal conditions which may not hold true in real world scenarios. Understanding these limitations is essential for proper interpretation of results. Recent development. Recent research has explored extensions and modifications of Millimann's theorem. These developments aim to address some of the theorem limitations in practical applications. Ongoing studies continue to enhance the theorem's relevance in modern statistics. And the last one is conclusion. Millimann's theorem remains a cornerstone in the field of probability and statistics. Its application in actuarial science and finance demonstrate its practical significance. Continued research and development will likely enhance its applicability in various domains. Future directions. Future research may focus on refining the assumptions underlying Millimann's theorem, exploring its application in emerging fields such as data science could yield new insights. Collaboration between mathematicians and practitioners will drive innovation in the theorem's use. References. Milliman. Title of the foundation paper of book or Millimann's theorem. Author. Title of relevant research or application study. Author. Title of matter interpretation modifications of the theorem. Feel free to fill in the references with actual sources as needed. And thank you.